In a tranquil setting, with soft lighting casting gentle shadows, a speaker exudes warmth as they prepare to delve into the significance of communication. From personal interactions to professional engagements and public speeches, communication is the key that unlocks connection. From midnight to 0:30, the scene is set to introduce the idea that communication encompasses much more than mere words. It's about bridging the divides between people, sharing and understanding thoughts and emotions, and creating a mutual environment for expression and comprehension. There are multiple systems at play: the brain, the body, the voice, all intertwined with perception. Neuroscience reveals that communication is a dance of neural activity, encompassing language processing, emotional regulation, and decision-making. Mirror neurons become the focal point, emphasizing the role of empathy and active listening in fostering connection. From 2 to 3:30, the narrative turns to the psychological realm. Emotional intelligence, EI, takes center stage, illustrating its influence on effective communication. This segment emphasizes the impact of emotions on communication. It's about the tone, body language, and context, not just the words themselves. The art of recognizing and responding to emotions is highlighted as a cornerstone of meaningful dialogue. From 3:30 to 5 o'clock, technology's influence is scrutinized. While technology connects us more than ever, it also presents challenges in communication. The loss of face-to-face nuances like vocal inflection and body language in digital conversations is noted. Encouraging judicious use of technological tools for clear communication. From 5 to 6:30, a philosophical perspective is introduced. Communication is explored as more than just exchanging information. It's a quest for connection. Philosophers' Dialogues and the I and Thou concept by Martin Buber highlight communication as an authentic sharing of experiences and truths. From 6:30 to 8 o'clock, practical advice surfaces, providing tips to hone communication skills. Active listening, open-ended questions, mindful body language, empathy, clarity, and presence are stressed as vital components of effective communication. From 8 to 9:30, the journey of continuous improvement in communication is presented as a lifelong endeavor. Mistakes are stepping stones toward mastery, as each conversation becomes a chance to learn and refine one's approach. Finally, from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, the infinite possibilities of connection through communication are underscored. The session concludes with the reminder that communication extends beyond skill. It's an art, a science, and a philosophy, a bridge to understanding and collaboration.